Hey friends, I'm trying to help my husband out. You know, some days he'll come in here and he'll say, "Why'd you cook that? You know I'm on a diet." I said, "Well, no, I didn't know. You kept that to yourself." So I'm going to help him out today. And I'm going to make some marinated shrimp lettuce wraps because I do know that he likes that. Now, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I'm putting in some fresh grated ginger, which I love ginger. But you know, sometimes it can be hot. Do y'all find that? Do y'all find it hot sometimes?
Not really hot, but just a little kick.
Yeah, I mean, I have had it before where it was really, really hot. And garlic, some minced garlic, some soy sauce, and lemon juice. And I have got my peeled and deveined shrimp. They're chopped because that's going to be easier to put them in the lettuce. So, you know, you don't have to go out and buy a real expensive shrimp. You know, you can use the smaller ones. You can get them so small you don't even have to chop them. All right, so we're gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes and just drink up all those wonderful flavors. No, it's just the root, the ginger root. Sometimes it can be stringy. I'm gonna leave it in there because I do like the flavor of that ginger. So we'll put a wrap on this, put it in our fridge, and we'll come back to it in about 30 minutes. No pun intended, but I'm fixing to wrap up our shrimp wraps. So our shrimp in our marinade we actually let it marinate an hour, maybe hour and a half. So, you know, it ain't gonna hurt. So I've heated my skillet, so I'm gonna put everything in there, marinade and all. And I'm just gonna cook. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry, I got ahead of myself. Won't do those shrimp. First thing I'm gonna do is saute the onions, the bell peppers, and the water chestnut. And then I'll add the shrimp in a minute. That's my soy sauce that I'm gonna put on it at the end. So there we go. Sometimes I get confused. Just a little olive oil. I had some in there to start with, but we just kind of want to get your bell peppers kind of soft. Now, you can use any kind of lettuce you want. I've chosen to use butter lettuce because I guess you could say it's one of my favorite lettuces. Another lettuce that works real good is romaine leaves. And I like to buy the triple washed romaine, like the heart of the romaine, and doesn't have any roots or anything on it. They've already sliced it and triple washed it. And those make real good wraps because they're long. These are going to be kind of stubby ones, but it's so worth it. You can just eat 2 or 3 instead of one long leaf. The butter lettuce truly just melts in your mouth. That's been about 3 minutes, y'all. So now I'm glad I glanced over there and saw all my vegetables. Okay. So it won't take long on these little shrimp. They're peeled and deveined, and Teresa chopped them up so we wouldn't have to deal with one big shrimp. We could kind of get it mixed up. So it's not going to take about a minute for those. In fact, I'm going to turn I got the heat up pretty high. So, oh, there it is. right in front of me. If it'd been a snake, it'd have bit me, Eddie. I wish y'all could smell that ginger. When are you going to say, well, I think Mary Ann smells better than ginger? When are you going to say it? I knew you were thinking it.
It crossed my mind.
I know it did.
And I was fond of ginger.
Or Mary Ann.
Hey, Mary.
You always said you like Mary Ann better than ginger.
Well,
The little country girl.
if I was on that island, I wouldn't worry about getting off.
Yeah, every time I say something about ginger, well, I really liked Mary Ann. You know, when I was on Dance with the Stars, do you remember, Michael? It was like TV show theme night. And I had to dance to Gilligan's Island's theme song.
You were Mrs. Howard.
I was an old lady. Miss Hollingsworth or whatever her name was. Miss Howell. I was Miss Howell. I wasn't Mary Ann nor Ginger. I'm surprised they didn't make me the captain. The fat captain. What was his name? Skipper. Yeah.
That spot.
Yeah. If you'd been dancing, you'd definitely been the skipper. Our shrimp are ready, y'all. And I've still got a couple of tasters around here. James is still here and Michael's still here. Now I'm going to just pour that little bit of soy sauce on top. I kind of got it everywhere. All right, now guys, these might be a little messy, but that's all right. You'd have to eat quite a few of these to fill you up. I tell you to do it about 1/4 of a cup. Okay, guys, come and get it.
Come on, Dad.
Like I said, this is going to be messy. So give me both your hands.
Or give him the place. You're on the plate.
Well, I was going to, yeah, that's probably best. All right, now just wrap that up.
Okay.
And Michael,
I think I need romaine.
well, this is a very tender lettuce right here, but here you go. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Don't be, no, you wait a minute. You wait a minute. All right, who else would like a shrimp wrap?
This is a shrimp on wrap.
These shrimp are so good.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Especially these bell peppers.
Especially what?
Are those bell peppers?
Mm-hmm. Red pepper, water chestnuts.
Gosh, Bill.
Mm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely an out-of-door appetizer. Who wants more?
That's good.
Eddie, can I fix you one?
Okay.
Teresa, you want one? Okay. Well, that's it, honey. Love having two eaters up here with me.
Good thing over here.
I know. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.